Now we'll move to the next artery, very important artery of the upper limb going towards the neck. So this is a vertebral artery. Okay, vertebral artery. Vertebral artery. So for the vertebral arteries, they're actually arteries, right? One on this side, one on this side. So they are paired branches of subclavian artery, and they ascend through the cervical vertebrae. They unite to form the basilar artery. That's the one that is actually going towards the brain and all of that, right? So each vertebral artery usually arises from the first part of the subclavian artery. Okay, the subclavian artery is here, and it gives off the branch of the vertebral artery. So they are bilateral arteries, one on this side, one on this side, just like I was saying. So course and segment is classically divided into 4 segments. We have the V1, which is the pre-foramina segment. Is the origin there, runs superiorly and posteriorly between the scalene and the longus colli muscles. You have the V2, ascending through the transverse foramina from C6 to C2. Have the V3, okay, that's the transverse foramina of C2 to the dura at the foramen magnum. And the V4 pierces the dura, then enters the cranial cavity. That's just by the way, The branches it gives include the posterior inferior cerebellar artery, anterior spinal artery, posterior spinal arteries, and some numerous small branches to the medulla and the meninges. So termination, so that the 2 vertebral arteries usually unite to form the basilar artery. Okay. Structures that they supply include all those brainstem, cerebellum, occipital lobes, upper spinal cord, meninges, vertebral columns. Okay, so it's very important because it can be important in imaging. It can be compressed, and also an issue known as the vertebral basilar insufficiency can also affect it.